today I will introduce my new products, and this one. And this toss is used to replace and repair the shock absorber. Usually, the shock absorber is the right ring, like this. It's right ring. But in the new cars, the shock absorber gets left ring. So, and this top. This one is the right shock absorber. This one should the left shock absorber. Something like this here. This is the right one. I use the like this one. This is the right ring spring. But if you use the left one, but this is not here. This is far dense, and this is the left. So use the left. Okay, this one. Okay, this is more safe. Okay, next we will tell you how to install the toss and how to use the toss. Okay, the next we let my technology to help us to teach you how to use and install the toss. Okay, let's go. First, like this one. This is a hand. And first we use the right drive. Okay. Okay, this one, the tool is installed one. But you see this one, this is a plastic protectors. And this one will let the spring and not the breaker the spring. Okay. We use this one. You must take the length is in right space. Okay. First turn this like this one is 21 millimeter. Okay, after this one here, and this one, also is 12. Okay. When we use this toss, we must take the spring inside, such here and here. And this one, this can make sure the toss use during the use is very good. Okay. You see the spring is compressor. But this toss can't use the air toss and electric wrench. So this is the usual one. This is the right wing. But we also use the left wing. So if we use this one, the toss only put like this. Oh, can't put it. So can't use this toss. And so we product another one. This is left wing. Okay, we change this one. Okay. We use this tool, use the same, such like here and here, and only turn here. The spring is compressed and the toss is in one line, and this one is more safety than the others. You see this one, the toss. This is 3 parts, is the yellow color. We have use the right rim, and this right one. This is 2 parts with the left rim. Okay, and this one and this one is the same size, and this one is the same size. So for this set toss, we have the 3 parts about the right rim springs, and the 2 parts used to the left rim springs, and 1 hand, and this one screws. Okay, this one is 6 screws and 1 Allen wrench. And the last one is the connector. And this use, we take for example, such like this sharp springs. If like this one and this one is the same, so we not use this one. Just sometimes like here, and this one is small and this one is big. So we must use this connect. You see what's wrong? We connect here. Also, this turn screw, and then we put here, and put the small inside here. But this one is okay, like here. Okay, such like this. And this one, the toss, the bumper is in one line, is very safety. But if you accept this one connect, we replace this one. This is very dangerous.